Have you ever stepped into a backyard so small you expected nothing, and yet it felt calm, open, and beautifully private? Where sunlight falls softly across a quiet corner, where a single wall of greenery feels like a secluded escape, where every inch seems to breathe with intention. Sometimes it's not the size of the backyard that matters, it's the way you shape it, the way you shelter it, the way you allow it to hold beauty. And maybe, with the right balance of creativity and comfort, any small space can become a stunning retreat. Today's backyard designs are shifting toward one powerful idea. You don't need a big yard to live beautifully. Smart layouts, privacy tricks, and cozy design choices are turning compact outdoor spaces into stylish hideaways. Whether it's a narrow side yard, a tiny patio, or a modest patch of grass, the right elements can make it feel larger, warmer, and far more inviting. People everywhere are discovering that thoughtful lighting, vertical gardens, layered textures, and clever screening can transform any small backyard into a peaceful sanctuary. And in these intimate outdoor spaces, life suddenly feels slower, simpler, and beautifully grounded. Before we continue, welcome to Home and Garden Tips, your space for small yard transformations, cozy outdoor design, and smart living ideas. If you love discovering creative ways to elevate your home without needing more space, we'd love for you to join our community. Now let's step into the world of stunning small backyards, where privacy, beauty, and function come together effortlessly. The key to transforming a small backyard begins with privacy design, because a space only feels relaxing when it feels sheltered. One of the most popular modern approaches is using layered greenery. Tall planter boxes with bamboo areca palms or climbing vines create a natural privacy screen that moves gently with the wind. This living wall softens harsh boundaries and adds depth without taking up too much room. It also feels more luxurious than a plain fence, organic, warm, and visually calming. For homeowners on a budget, Wooden slat panels have become the go-to privacy hack of 2024 and 2025, and they're only growing in popularity. They offer coverage without blocking air or light, and the horizontal lines make the space look wider. Add a warm stain, hang a few lanterns, or weave a vine through the slats, and suddenly your backyard feels both private and stylish. Vertical gardens are another powerful tool. By using height instead of floor space, they make the backyard feel lush and spacious. Mounted planters, hanging pots, or a simple trellis filled with greenery bring colour and texture to tight areas. This approach works beautifully for courtyards, patios and narrow yards where every inch counts. Vertical gardens don't just add privacy, they make the entire space feel alive. Once privacy is established, the next transformation comes through smart layout choices. Instead of spreading furniture across the yard, create one or two defined zones. A cosy seating nook, a small dining space, or a relaxing corner with a bench and soft cushions. Zoning gives purpose to the space, making it feel intentional rather than cramped. Even a tiny deck or a raised platform can act as a visual anchor, giving structure without overwhelming the yard. Materials matter too. Warm wood, natural stone, rattan furniture, textured cushions, soft outdoor rugs. These elements layer warmth into modern design. When combined with greenery and soft lighting, they turn a simple backyard into a retreat. A mix of textures creates depth that makes the space feel richer and more sophisticated, even with a limited budget, lighting is where the magic truly happens. Soft, warm outdoor lights instantly elevate the atmosphere. String lights create intimacy above a seating area. Solar lanterns glow along pathways, and subtle ground lights highlight plants or stone textures. In small backyards, lighting is not just decorative, it's transformative. It makes the space look polished, cosy, and deeply inviting. Especially during evenings, compact water features are becoming a quiet trend in small yards as well. A tabletop fountain, a small ceramic water bowl, or a minimalist wall-mounted feature adds soothing sound without taking up space. This single detail can shift the entire mood, making the backyard feel like a hidden spa. What makes all these ideas truly stunning is not how big the yard is, but how thoughtfully it's arranged. Small spaces thrive when design is intentional, when textures are layered, and when privacy feels effortless. It's not about adding more, it's about choosing wisely and shaping each detail to create comfort. A tiny backyard can feel like a luxury escape when nature, structure, and softness come together in harmony. And as the evening breeze moves through your plants and the warm light begins to glow, you'll see your backyard differently. Not as a small space, but as a personal sanctuary. A place that feels soothing, private, and beautifully yours. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of cozy backyards and creative design ideas. If this inspired you, stay with us as we continue transforming everyday spaces into calm, beautiful retreats. Because the most stunning backyards are not built with size. They're built with intention, comfort, and the quiet art of thoughtful design.